What if I told you the Galaxy S26 Ultra completely changed the way you think about phone privacy? And no, I'm not talking about some clunky add-on or gimmicky app. This is an actual hardware upgrade built directly into the screen itself. On top of that, there are 3 more updates about the S26 lineup you need to hear. So let's dive into the details. Normally, you'd slap on a privacy screen protector that dims everything. But those make a premium flagship look like a budget phone. The S26 Ultra is about to change that forever with a built-in solution. Samsung has developed a new panel called Flex Magic Pixel. This means when someone tries to peek at your screen from the side, all they'll see is a blacked-out display. But for you, the content stays bright and crystal clear. It's essentially privacy mode baked into the display itself. No extra accessories needed. Here's where it gets even better. This AI system isn't always running in the background. Instead, it intelligently detects when you're doing something sensitive, like typing passwords or checking financial apps. That's when it automatically kicks in. This isn't just talk either. Samsung showcased the tech earlier this year, and reports now confirm it's in mass production. So the big question, will the Galaxy S26 Ultra really be the first phone to ship with this feature? Official confirmation hasn't dropped yet, but South Korean media is pointing directly at it. If the technology is already being produced at scale, the chances of it appearing in Samsung's most premium device are very high. Now, let's talk about another upgrade tied to this display. Alongside privacy, Samsung is using its CoE OLED tech here. In simple terms, that means the panel will be thinner, brighter, and more power efficient. That naturally translates into better visuals and a boost in battery life, making it more than just a security upgrade. Of course, there's a catch. This cutting-edge display tech looks like it will remain exclusive to the Ultra model only. So if you're eyeing the S26 Pro or the S26 Edge, chances are you won't get this feature, most likely due to cost. But the Ultra is clearly being positioned as the ultimate choice in the lineup. One promising sign is battery life. The Pro is getting an upgrade from a 4000 mAh cell to a 4300 mAh one. While that's not a massive jump, it does give more breathing room for daily use. Whether this device becomes a true pro-level phone, however, depends heavily on the camera hardware, something Samsung hasn't fully revealed yet. Now let's shift to software. One UI 8 is just around the corner, scheduled to begin rolling out in September for the S25 series. And one of the new features is a refreshed watermark style for photos. Instead of plain text, users now get more detailed watermarks, along with a brand new vivid image mode that enhances colors. It's like a subtle layer of color correction, making your shots pop without going overboard, which makes sense, since applying it everywhere might lead to oversaturation complaints. Another big software update is coming straight from Google's Pixel 10 series. That means instead of fumbling through editing menus, you can simply type or say commands like remove the shadows or fix the colors. Google says the rollout will begin within weeks, so Samsung users won't have to wait long. And that's just the beginning. I've also got to more major S26 Ultra updates, and even news on the Ultra that comes after it.